Hello, my name is Darlene, and I'm on to talking about my Pop On Veneers. First, I was skeptical about, fake teeth being in my mouth and having extra teeth or whatever the case may be, however the dentistry goes. But I have two missing teeth, one in the front on this side and one on this side. This side has been out for a very long time. But this side has came out about 6 months ago. It came out. And after that, I found myself laughing with my friends and family and covering my mouth when I do. And I love to laugh. I love to smile. I love to joke and stuff like that. So I found myself doing this all the time. And it got very uncomfortable for me. And it made me very insecure. So what I did was do some research on dentistry and what can I find as far as implants, or which implants was too expensive for me. So it was not affordable for me at the time. So I ran across Pop On Veneers. I did my research, looked it up, agreed to it, and ordered them. So they came, I did my impressions. My impressions came in 2 days, sent them back. They didn't work the first time. I didn't press down hard enough or whatever the case may be. But they sent me back another thing of impressions for free, as they agreed. They honored that, and they did send me back another impression kit. So I did that, and I did good. So I got my Pop On Veneers 3 weeks later. So I love them. Let's start with that. I love my impressions. And it was very affordable. You can get on payment plans, on different kinds of payment plans. And I also choose the payment plan, which works for me. And my smile is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna put them on. They come in a case, which I love as well, with a mirror. It's kind of blurry right now, but anyway, with a mirror where I can see if I'm out or whatever and put them in. So let's start with the upper. That is amazing. I look like my teeth are like when I was 20. This is exactly what my teeth looked like when I was like in my 20s. Heard that? You heard the pop? So I love, love, love my veneers. I'm so grateful for these people. I get so many compliments on my teeth. They are amazing. They make me feel amazing. So thank you so much, Pop On Veneers. You guys are awesome. You're changing lives. You're saving lives. Thank you so much, Pop On Veneers. You guys are great.